All right, it's a warm last day of 2021 around here. Temperatures in the low 80s right now. 81 degrees here in the metro area, 82 in Vicksburg, 83 at Macomb, and some of these numbers are threatening record highs, but you see quiet across the area. I do expect quiet conditions tonight and really in the first part of tomorrow before we have thunderstorms that will be increasing from the west, and some of those storms could be on the strong side. So here's Futurecast through the evening. Temperatures are going to be warm, slowly falling out of the 70s. We'll be in the upper 60s for most of the night, and there's a look at early Saturday. Again, not much going on around here. Pretty quiet. It's going to be warm. It's going to be windy. Those winds are really going to start kicking up tomorrow out of the south. They could be as high as 30 to 40 miles an hour, especially up here in our Delta counties through the day on Saturday. As we head towards Saturday afternoon, that's when we do see some changes. You see a few showers possible late Saturday morning across our area. But then we have thunderstorms that will be increasing as we head into Saturday afternoon and into Saturday evening. Here's our big storm system now winding up across parts of the Four Corners region. Very intense jet stream across much of the southern plains up into the Midwest, and this is a lot of wind energy. And this is something that we're going to have to watch tomorrow because that wind energy is going to be very close to our area. Combine that with some unstable air that could be around the region, and we're talking about the chance of maybe some stronger thunderstorms. Right now, thinking that threat here in the metro area is very conditional. What does that mean? Well, it means there are some parameters there. There are some that may not come into play. So here's a look at the forecast. This is tomorrow afternoon, right around 2 o'clock, and you see a couple isolated thunderstorms that could get going. Now, these would have to be watched very carefully because if these were to take advantage of the atmosphere, they could produce some severe weather. Very isolated. I think most of that energy is going to be off to our north and to our east. Look at this very nasty line of thunderstorms stretching from near the Tupelo area up into parts of North Alabama and Middle Tennessee. Here in our area, not much, maybe a few scattered thunderstorms as the actual front moves in. It's going to be late. This is 11 o'clock and the actual line is just coming into the metro area. And as we head through early Sunday morning, what's left of that line will move through the region, and then we'll have the cold air that rushes in during the day on Sunday. So Sunday morning, temperatures will start dropping throughout the day. And even here in North Mississippi, there could be a little bit of a changeover from rain to a little bit of some light snow up there. No accumulation expected, but that just goes to show you how Arctic this air mass is that is coming in. Should be clearing out, though, by Monday, but it's going to be a cold day on Monday. So there's a look at another aspect of this. Again, this is all this instability that we're expecting across the area tomorrow. Look at this wind energy right here. Very strong wind energy, but notice the strongest wind energy and the most unstable air not right on top of each other. So kind of disjointed with the parameters here. As we head through Saturday afternoon, most of that energy starts pulling away as the actual front moves in. But you see, this is the area that we're thinking could have the best threat of some severe thunderstorms, even into Sunday morning. Again, North Alabama, that's probably going to be the best target area for that, and you can see that reflected in our severe weather map. Again, North Mississippi, Northeast Mississippi, over into the Tennessee Valley. This would be the best area, I think, to see any type of significant severe weather. Now, here in our area, possible we could see a couple of isolated showers or downpours that do become severe, but really thinking the best severe threat is going to be to our north. Here's your storm timeline. Really thinking the majority of the action is going to wait till Saturday night. But in any rate, if we could get a couple pop-up thunderstorms, they would be between the hours of 3 and about 6. And then as the line comes in, 8, 9, 10 o'clock, that's when the main action should be arriving here in the metro area. So just keep that in mind. Tomorrow afternoon is going to be a little bit on the stormy side. And there, look at the highs tomorrow. Again, back up in the 80s. But then down we go in a big way as we head into Sunday. Warm and breezy, a few showers tonight, low temperature 69 tomorrow. Evening storms, some of them could be on the strong side, 81. Look at those winds gusting as high as 30 and 40 miles an hour. Tomorrow night, more of the same. Temperatures crash after the front moves in. That colder air moves in by Sunday morning. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Sunday is going to be a cloudy, cold, blustery day. Temperatures falling through the day. Monday, we wake up with temperatures in the mid-20s, a hard freeze, only warming up into the upper 40s, moderating temperatures before another front moves in Thursday into Friday with much colder air by the end of next week.